Hey y'all, hey, welcome back. In today's video, I got a Born Pretty package. They sent over some products for me to try out. The first thing I pulled out was the metal painting pot. I think that's what it's called. This is a glitter polish. I'm trying to give y'all a close up so you can see the name if you're interested in getting this. It's really a cute chunky glitter. I didn't swatch these on camera only because I use every single product in today's nail set. My favorite one was probably this brown right here. I don't have too many browns in my collection, so I'm super excited to get this one in this package, as well as I got some 3D molding gel. I don't think that's what they call it, but that's basically what it is. It's some 3D molding gel. Do a lot of 3D art and stuff. And I did not know Beetles have full size gel polish. I thought the ones to the right was like the biggest ones they have, but in this little box right here, it was a full size one, a 15 milliliter, and I was like, okay. It really shocked me. This is, I think, the platinum gel, if I'm not mistaken. I'll show you what it is in just a second. I did go ahead and pre-open all the molding gel in the metal pot just so it'd be easier for me to go ahead and start using it. For today's nail set, I am doing the GELX method. I'm not doing acrylic this time. I'm just going ahead and doing something real cute and simple, and I'm definitely on theme with fall nails. So here it is. I did poke a hole in it just so I can see what it looks like on the inside. But moving on, we're gonna go ahead and prep for the nail set. I am using my Macar flash cure lamp as well as some 8-in-1 gel just to adhere these on. These are pop off, so I didn't really prep or do anything like that. Once I got these on, I buffed them and then I started with my nail art. Sit back and enjoy this, and I'll be right back. All right, now that I got the tips applied, I am going to be taking the brown and I'm going to be applying this to the pinky and the thumbnail. For these two nails, I wanted to do like a sweater look, so I just went with that. I definitely need to think of some more designs to do with fall because sweater nails, plaid, that's basically all I got. I might need to go ahead and step outside, my box and just start doing some hand painted like leaves, pumpkins, and stuff like that. I really wanted to recreate some of my old fall nail sets that I did in the past that was kind of like okay, kind of ugly. But for the most part, I am going in and doing one coat with these. I didn't really want to waste too much polish, especially since it's a pop-off set, so I tend to not go into details when it comes to me doing content and doing pop-off nails. But for the most part, these polishes are pretty good. You definitely would need like 2 or 3 coats if you wanted a more opaque look because if you can see, it is kind of see-through with just one coat. But for the most part, I wish I would have got like a nude with this package, but I decided to just use the glitter to replace the nude because what I wanted to do, I needed a nude base, and I wanted to keep only using Born Pretty products instead of like going out and showing other products. So I just opt to just use this glitter. This platinum glitter is pretty cute. It would be perfect for using bling nails, use it as a black background, and then putting bling on top. But for the most part, I am going to go ahead and cure these nails for a full 60 seconds. And then off camera, I matted the brown just so it saves me time with the video. Now moving on, I am going to be doing 2 coats of the platinum. I think this is called platinum gel. The platinum gel on the 3 finger, well, these 2 fingers, the ring and the middle one, and I'm going to be taking that pink chunky glitter and then doing like a ombre look with it on the index nail. All right, so moving right along, like I said, I am going to be doing like the sweater nail look for the pinky and the thumb. So I'm just going to be taking the same brown polish that I use as the base to do my cute little sweater design. I'm just doing something basic. Y'all have seen this before a million times. And before you put it in a lamp, you're going to throw some clear acrylic on top and cure for 60 seconds, y'all. I was making a mess with this polish. I don't know why, but my pinky kept getting away and messing up the polish, but it really didn't too much mess it up to whereas I had to take everything off. So I just kept on going with the flow like nothing happened. And moving on with my ring finger, I want to do another little, I think this plaid look, these cute little lines. I decided to use the brown again. These colors actually came out really, really pretty. The brown with the platinum and the metallic that I did on the ring finger was pretty cute. I am going in and doing a Frenchie for the middle nail using that same brown. I'm going to be doing a Frenchie and a sweater nail, as same as I did with the thumb and the pinky. So now that everything is cured for a full 60 seconds, I am going to be going in and doing the same design that I did on the pinky and thumb to the middle nail and adding clear on top and curing for a full 60 seconds. so we're gonna be moving right back on to that ring finger, and I'm just gonna be taking this metal gel. I think I can't remember what it's called, and I'm just gonna be doing the lines just to mimic what I did with the brown. And that's basically it for this nail. I kept it real simple for today's nail set. Nothing too crazy. I like the way these nails came out. I think I could have did a lot better with the molding gel. I was struggling at first because off camera I top coated the nail, and then I didn't realize that it's not going to stick with top coat. But for the most part, I'm going to go ahead and add some bling to these nails just to, spruce them up just a little bit. Like I told y'all before, I buy things and then I don't use it. Like this is a brand new bling case that I haven't touched yet. So I decided to pull it out because it kind of matched the nail set. Overall, I like the way these look. I should have picked some smaller crystal, just went down on the other sides. But overall, I love the way these look. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this set right here. Um, it's something different. Personally, I wouldn't wear these if I was like, everyday type of look. But as far as all together, I like the way these nails look. I definitely could have did the index nail a lot better than what it was, but for the most part, I love the way these came out. I will link all the products that I used today down in the description box below. I didn't mention it earlier, but the full cover tips that I got on are from Temu. I don't know if I'm able to find a link or not because I haven't been on Temu in so long. But if I find it, I'll link it down for y'all. If anyone's interested in that. But for the most part, all the products that I use today are mainly Born Pretty. It's actually pretty fun, getting back in the swing of using their products. It's been a long time. I'm super grateful to be able to, receive packages from multiple brands and stuff like that. Definitely help build my collection as well as y'all's, because a lot of times when I get PR and stuff that I know I don't need, I would definitely give it away and random giveaways. But for the most part, I love today's nail set. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. I don't really have anything else too much to say, but stay tuned for more videos because I got a lot of stuff I want to post for y'all. I am getting back in the swing of things and I am getting a little bit more consistent. I did take a long, much needed break, but in due time, I'll do a whole video on that. But thank y'all so much for sticking around. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Until next time, bye.